2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.